Okay, today I'm going to cover a pretty cool feature, which is the custom booking form links. OrbisX has arguably one of the best booking systems on the planet for detailers, tinters, and anyone else in the auto industry. Now, sometimes though, you might be running campaigns through Google Ads or Facebook ads or other places, and you want to keep those ads very streamlined to a particular package or promo or something like that that you're offering so that you don't present the customer with too many options and you can keep them focused on booking a particular promotion. Now, this is really cool, and I'll explain the ways it's cool in a moment. First, I'm going to show you how to get here, how to set it up, and how to use this for your business. So, first way is go to admin, and then underneath the booking form settings link, there's a custom booking form links button. We're going to click that, and that will take you to this page here. From this page, this is where you're able to create new custom links and set different options, which I'll explain. And then you can also view the existing ones that you have. You can copy the form link, you can copy the embed code, or you can preview it, edit, as well as delete if you're finished with that particular form link. So the other way to get there is from the booking form settings. There's a little did you know box that appears here, and you can click custom booking form links from there as well. It will take you to the same place. Two ways to get there. Once you're here, you're going to want to create a new one because you won't have any that are there. So we will click create new custom link. This box opens up and we're going to give it a label. This is just for internal use, so it could be, call it whatever you want. It could be landing page promo 1. Could be anything, right? Then you're going to choose your location options. So for this particular form, do you want mobile only appointments, shop only, or both shop and mobile? Do you want to service, just one particular vehicle type, or do you want to service all of them? You have the option there. So even if on your main booking form, let's say you service all vehicle types, you can actually make a new form link that only does passenger vehicles, for example, or whatever you've called them on your booking form. So this is allowing you to basically customize the booking form. All the other settings are going to pull from your booking form itself. So things like, your upsells, and that's going to be attached to your services, whichever ones you enable. But it's going to pull all your other stuff, your logo, background colors, your terms, all that stuff. So you don't have to worry about setting that up, 1,000 times. This allows you to quickly customize certain options on the form, tailored specifically for advertising and marketing. So you also have the option to choose which services. So maybe we're going to run a detailing promo. So we're going to choose detailing, and then maybe it's for just one package that we're trying to push, which is this one here, the standard. So, okay, great. That's what I'm going to do on my form. I can also make a custom redirect page for the thank you if I want. So if I have a page on my website or something where I want them to go after they submit the form from my landing page, that's what I can do there. And then you can also put in specific tracking code. That'll be different from your main booking form settings, because your main booking form settings, you can put tracking code for Google Analytics or other tracking codes. But in this case, you can have a separate tracking code for each of these custom form links. So to show you what they look like, I'll go to this one here that I set up earlier here. So I'm going to preview this. Let me just open it in a new tab. And so what we have on this page, I'll show you how this looks different from our regular booking form. Maybe that will help. So, because this is a demo account, let me go open up my booking form settings, and let me just preview. This is my default booking form. So it has every vehicle type. It has all our, packages, services, all kinds of stuff, right? It even has, mobile and shop services, so on and so forth. Now, on this one, it's limited to just 2 vehicle types, and then we've limited this to just the detailing, as well as we have the standard package, and then we've limited it to ceramic coating with our ceramic coating packages as well, right? So this is how you can really drill that down and limit the things that are going to show up. Now, under your settings here, I'll go over that real quick. So you have the label. This is once again just for internal use. This is for whatever you want to call it. It only shows up for you. Other people don't see it. So it just shows up for you. Then we have form link, embed code, preview, edit, and trash can. Trash can, pretty self-explanatory. You click that. Do you want to delete? Yes, I want to delete, or cancel, right? Edit, that's going to pull up basically this here with the details selected. So I'll click this one, for example, and oops, let me click. There we go. And it's going to load everything that we have for that one, which is the Google Ads detailing promo. It's going to load it, and so we have shop appointments only, vehicle type, services enabled, so on and so forth. So we have this set specific for that one. So that would be the edit button. Then we have preview, which just opens it up so you can take a look at what it looks like. Then there's also the embed code and the form link. The form link, if I click that, and let me open up Notepad here. So that's going to literally just copy the link that would be to that custom form, which would be different than my regular form. So the advantage there is if, let's say, you want to just add this link to a button or something like that, that's where you would use the form link. The other option is the embed code. So I'll click that, and then once again, I'll go to Notepad here, and let's get rid of this, and I'll paste that. And so here's my embed code. So I could actually embed this on a landing page on my website, and it's going to use these options specifically, overriding my main options on my booking form. So really, really cool. Now, how you can use this, that's pretty awesome, is you could do things like on your main booking form, you could make a package or a service, for example, and you could choose to make it not bookable on your booking form. But then through here, you could actually select that. So it could be like a holiday promo or something you don't want to show up on your main booking form, but you could have it show up here, and it will actually show up on your booking form once you get it all set up, and that would be on your landing page or wherever it happens to be. So it's really cool. You can open up a lot of marketing doors by doing this. At the same time, too, the general booking form is great if someone goes to your website and they just want to, book now, and they're going to go through all your services and everything like that. But if you want to keep them streamlined into just booking one particular thing or a couple different options, maybe on your website you have a page called ceramic coating, and on there you want to throw on your booking form right in the page, but only show the ceramic coating options, well, you'd be able to do that. And then same thing you could do if you have a page for brake dust removal and so on and so forth. So you can make as many of these combinations as you need, and then you can use a generic book an appointment now and have that go to your main form if you want as well. So this was a pretty cool update, and it's going to really supercharge your marketing. So I wish you guys all the best. I'm going to cut it short here so that we can keep it under 10 minutes and retain your attention span. But once again, those options, you can add a label for internal use. You can choose the location options specific to this form, the vehicle types, the services, the packages enabled, as well as specify the thank you page and put specific tracking code. Very awesome stuff, guys. All right, have yourselves a great day.